Welcome to M365 Professional. Here's how to share or delegate your calendar in the new Outlook. For Windows, select the Settings icon. In the upper right, it's one that looks like a gear. Then select Calendar Shared Calendars. Make sure the account you want is selected. Select the calendar you want to share from the account you selected. Select Share. Enter the names or emails of the people with whom you want to share your calendar. Select the level of permissions, including delegating your calendar. If you delegate your calendar, you can choose whether that person can also see information about private events. Once you are ready, select Share. Your calendar is now shared with the people you selected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.